2000 Honda HR-V. At first I thought the condenser was spray painted black and they missed some of it, but that's all oil and dust buildup. You can see where it's clean and shiny aluminum here, and you can see all the dust buildup here. Closer look at that. And I was wondering, well, maybe they spray that shiny stuff on their bumper and their grill to make it shine. And but there's no sticky stuff, there's no residue anywhere else. This is literally a failed condenser. I wonder if there's a TSB on this one, because this is a 2020, and I think I remember seeing a TSB on these later ones too. HR-V, HRB, HR-V. So look at this, check that out. Look at all the oil there at this fitting. Look at all the oil all over. It's been seeping for a long time. It's all wet, going all the way back there. It's like, what the hell, Honda? You make one abortion after another when it comes to your air conditioning. Just looking at all the other fittings and everywhere. That is, I believe, a OE condenser. So what do we got? Who is that? That's a Denso. Interesting. If that's a Denso failing like that, I'm wondering what the hell is inside the refrigerant that is causing all these condenser and evaporator failures from Honda. Now this would be a good candidate to take a oil sample out of the compressor or a component to see what the asset level is like.